When you open Quizlet, it looks something like this. Here is the title of the Quizlet. Here is the first card, and here are the activities you can do. If you have a phone, you can download the app and use Quizlet on your phone. It's very convenient. But on the computer, it looks like this. If I go down, I can see the list of all the words. But I want to practice with flashcards first. Okay? So here's the flashcard. So I can see the picture and the definition, and then I think of the word and I can flip it over. There are a few things I want to show you. The first one is down here. It says options. So I click on options. I can turn the audio on so that I can hear how to pronounce the word. And then I can also change this if I want to have which one I want to have first. Okay. And then over here it says study starred. I will tell you about the star in just a minute. But the options for each activity, there are different options. So the star, if you look here, I can click and this makes it the star yellow. So when the star is yellow, it means this is a word I need to study. This is a word I do not know and I need to practice. Or maybe you want to focus on just some words, but not all of the words. So for example, I can go back to my list. This is the main page. And I go down here and I can see all of the different words. So maybe I want to put stars on some ones that I do not know. Okay? And then when I do the flashcards, okay, I click on flashcards again, I can go to options and I can study all of the words, or I can study only the words with a star. Okay? So you might want to do that if you know some words, but you don't know all of the words. Another thing you can do is shuffle, and this means the order is different. So I see this word, I click mechanic. Okay? I also want to write these in my notebook. Okay? And you can write the definition or the word in your language also. When I'm ready for the next one, I click here, next. Fixes, lights, and wiring. So I'm going to click to see the word electrician. Okay? Fixes toilets, sinks, and showers. So as I practice, I might need to practice many times before I know the words. This one, learn, is a little different. So here, and then here I have options, okay, a homemaker, delivery driver, okay, and again, I can change the options if I want. I can study only the starred ones, or I can study all of the words. Let me go back to the main page. It might ask you to sign up for an account. So if you use Quizlet, you're going to need an account. It is free, but you will need to log in. Okay, so you can sign up with your email, or if you want to use Google or Facebook. I I use my email. So I might need to log in. So I have my login. Okay, so now I logged in and I can use it. Another one I like students to use is spell. This is how you can practice spelling. You type what you hear. So here's the picture and the definition. And maybe I want to listen. What is the word? I click this. It says hairdresser. So now I have to spell it. Hairdresser. Enter. Correct. Okay, it's an office assistant, answers phones. So office assistant. Okay, enter. So I made a mistake. So it shows me the correction, and then I have to try again. Okay. Another one that you can also give yourself a test to see how do you do. This one, if you are on the computer, this is a fun game to practice, to try to go fast. Okay, so I can get started. Again, I can study all of the words or the starred words. I can decide how easy or hard. This means how fast it goes. And then I want to answer with the term, with the word. So let's go. So the little asterisk comes, works in a hospital and makes you feel better. So that's a doctor. I type the word in the bottom. Works in a store, fills shelves with items. It's a shelving. So I don't know the word yet. So if it goes all the way to the bottom, or if I get it wrong, then it will tell me the correct answer, and I have to type in the correct answer. All right, I'm going to go back. So I think that this is a good thing for you to use to practice vocabulary. Remember, you can add stars to the words that you want to remember. Okay? And you can always listen to the words too. Don't forget to write the words in your notebook also.